Did you know that 50% of the total impact to ad recall and awareness occurs in the first 2 and 2.5 seconds, respectively? This was research done by TikTok 3 years ago in 2021. And I'm sure this still applies, and it might apply even more. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to test ad hooks scientifically so that over time you get a better sense of what works and what doesn't work for your brand. So let's get started. So the first week or the first sprint of your hook testing should look something like this, where you're testing multiple visual hooks and multiple text hooks. For example, this is one test that Mudwater is doing. So the visual hook is someone chopping, I think this is lion's mane mushroom, with a knife. Visuals all the same. The text hook is different. So the first one is lion's mane is the secret to killing brain fog. The second text hook is PSA, there's 2,240 milligrams of functional mushrooms in this drink. And the hooks all lead to the same body video so that you can isolate the specific variable, in this case the text hook, that is going to lead to better CPA or better hook rate, or worse CPA or worse hook rate. Okay, so when you're testing these hooks, you want to split them up in the ad set test in a way that makes sense. So in this case, since we have 4 different visual hooks and 2 different text hooks, what I would do is I would put 4 different visual hooks and text hook A into the test ad set A, and text hook B into ad set B, so that every ad in this ad set B has text hook B in it, and so you're testing the different visual hooks. Run it. Ideally, you're getting 50 conversions in a week in this ad set, so make sure you set enough budget for your ad set tests to get enough conversion volume so you're confident in your results. And what will happen is that you will find one hook doing a lot better than the others. Ideally, you can see that CPA is much better than your control, and what you can do is you can say, okay, these 2 hooks are our best hooks, and they both have text hook B in common. So visual hook 2 and visual hook 4. Put them into your winning hooks database. This database could be a mind map, or it could be an Excel sheet, anything you want. And then you can also test these winning hook elements, like the text hook B, with some of your winning body videos. You can also test them in accordance with, along with your promising bodies. And what that will do over time is this will increase your creative win rate. And to me, nothing feels better than turning a losing concept into a winning ad. Okay, so what next? You can iterate on your hooks again. So in our case, we found that visual hook 2 and visual hook 4 were our best performing visual hooks from the previous week's testing, and also text hook B is the common theme between these 2. So what you can do next is test variations of text hook B with both visual hook 2 and visual hook 4, and you can also test visual hook B, text hook B with visual hook iterations of visual hook 2, and 1. And what you want to do is you want to measure how did the iterations perform relative to the 2 winners from the previous weeks of testing. You want to measure your span, your CPA, your ROAS, or your hook rate. Bolded is controlled, so we're controlling, keeping constant these variables: visual hook 2, visual hook 4, text hook B, and this eliminates downside risk because these new elements that we're testing are paired with proven ones. So I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.